Fred Williams XL Prime, we're hard coding. You know the rule there. I really don't care. A lot of people are going to say, oh, never hard code, never hard code. What am I talking about? Some all pig or mice. Or. Remember that? Here it is. We're just going to go some product, is number, or, and we're going to do search. Search? Why? Because we're looking for a position. What's the position going to do? If there's an M in our search criteria, it's going to give us number. And then his number is going to go, well, that's true. And the numbers collectively are greater than 0. We're going to sum them up. We've done this countless times. Here, let's just take a look. Array, F9, and we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. What are we doing? Where's the first true? Is there a cow or pig in here in the first cell? Well, there's both, cow and pig. We're only going to count the 25. Is there cow or pig in fit? No. Cow or pig? Yes. Cow or pig? Well, there's a cow. We're going to count 35, 15, and 25. What does it add up to? It's going to add up to 75. Where? We have C5 to C9. Is that not what we're looking at? Yeah. If we look at this thing, we can tear this apart. We can do this. I think we can do this, F9. And then we have 6. What's the 6 represent? Count left to right. Cow, the first position we found is P for pig. It's our criteria. Remember I said we're hard coding this thing? So we found the pig. Then we found a value error. No P or M in here. And then we have C, which should be 6. All we were doing was looking for pig here. Look over here and find mice. F9, F9. What do we have here? We have mice, position 11. Here, 1. What happens with these value errors? F9. What do we have here? True, false. True, false. What do we have here? Unary. What's going to happen? Those trues are going to turn into 1, and the zeros are going to go away. So then some product is just going to go through and say, sum everything greater than 0. As I showed earlier, look at the array. 1, 1, 1, 0. Going to look at those 3 that I pointed out. Read it if you need it. Here's the summary. Here's the anatomy. Thanks for watching. Brad Williams, XL Prime.